guys, welcome to Daddy's Saturday. Today's an amazing day in the Carolinas. It is our first day that it's hit 90 degrees. So we're gonna go out and have some fun in the water, but it's gonna be unconventional as is typical with Daddy's Saturday. So we went to drop my mom off, Grandma, Nana as we call her, at the airport. And I had this great idea, let's rent a convertible for the day. Well, problem is convertibles only seat 4 people. So after 3 tries, we failed. Since I've got a big family, we needed a 5-seater. This didn't work out. So instead we got a pickup truck. And I had this great idea. Let's fill the back of the pickup truck up with a couple of pools and water balloons. We'll drive the kids around our neighborhood and they can just have an amazing time in the back of the truck and enjoy the weather, hang out in their pools. It's like their own mini hot tubs in the back of the truck. They'll be like hot tubs when you get them all filled up. You all ready to go? Let's fill up our pools and balloons. Mason's so hot right now. Oh my goodness, it is our arch nemesis, the ice cream truck. There he is. He comes by every day in the summer and tries to get the kids to buy ice cream. And it is the biggest nuisance. I told him to hide so he didn't know where we lived, but now he knows where we live. And he drives by every single day all summer long. And I have to say, no ice cream, no ice cream, no ice cream. We have ice cream inside. Every once in a while I relent. Ice cream man. All right, so they got the pools filling up.
Now squeeze them all so the water comes out.
How's the water feel, Blaine?
Great. I have my own. I can share it.
Mason, are you excited?
Daddy.
All right, Easton, you ready to roll?
Yeah.
Let's get you in here.
You're sharing with that down. I don't want to share with Aiden.
You are. Fine, I'll share with Easton.
No, I'm sharing with Easton.
No, I'll share with
Come on,
Blaine
Easton.
or me.
Easton, come on. Are you?
Mason goes in.
Well, then I don't get any water balloons.
No, you do. Look,
We'll get our water balloons done once the pool gets all filled
everyone
up.
gets one.
Don't do that.
So we got our pools ready. Now we're doing our water balloons.
Oh, that's heavy.
You're just gonna drop them in your pool?
Yeah.
I think it's a great idea. There they go.
Watch this, everyone. Watch this.
All right, Hayden's are ready to roll.
Watch this.
You guys are next.
We're baby colors. It's
Easton's
either
getting his
girl-
balloons ready to go.
We're baby colors. See, it's either girl or boy. No.
My turn. Turn it on. My turn. It's my turn.
No, it's one's turn. Then it's
No, make
here. Let me give it to
turn
you.
it off. No.
All right, Daddy Saturday hot tub edition in the back of the truck. Hayden, Olivia, Easton, Mason, and Blaine ready to roll. We got balloons. We got the pools ready to go. Daddy's driving. Who's gonna be filming? Hayden? All right, no promises in the film.
Hey guys, so we are in the pool right now, and Daddy is apparently driving right now, and people are looking apparently. So Easton, say hi. Hi. Ah, balloons are going everywhere. Okay. Hi, but no throwing balloons at the camera.
I hate it, Dad.
No throwing at the camera. Hi, balloon. Stop.
No throwing. Hayden. No throwing. Not at other people. You can't throw it.
So it's amazing. I don't know. So this one, Blaine has the pea color apparently. It's like a pea color. And Blaine is throwing balloons at everyone, and they're stuffing them in their pants. They are stuffing the balloons in their pants apparently, which is not very good. So yes, we are heading on the main road soon, and there's a boat. Hi, boat. So yes, this is Hayden right now. Hello.
Hey guys.
Say hi,
Guys, look how big my pants are.
There. So So those are not his boobs, just saying. And I'm gonna pop one up. So we are on. So we are on the main road, and there's a silver one. So if you guys can see, we are leaving huge trails of water behind us, which is so funny. And we are in the neighborhood, so it's like no standing up lane, which we're not.
Doing the GoPro.
Okay.
We just went to Pitt Street Bridge and all the way down there. We just went to Pitt Street Bridge and there was a wedding, so we had to get all the way down and hide. Daddy! I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what it's like underwater. So murky and gross. Bye! See you tomorrow! I want those blue things. I want those blue.
How was round 1?
Good.
Oh!
You should see our unfabulistic filming.
I can't wait to see your filming. That was round 1. It is 90 degrees out. I have no idea how you're saying you're cold.
Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Yes,
this
thanks for
new
watching.
YouTube video.
Yes.
I hope it's great and you liked it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, and we will see you next week, Saturday. Thank you, everybody. Bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Every Daddy Saturday. As always, be intentional, be an engaged dad, and make it a great Daddy Saturday. Take care, we'll see you next week.